Using our scanners here at Trading College allows traders to find trades really quickly and really easily. Let's take a little look at some of the scanners that we use here. Now, over here on the left hand side, one of our most popular trading scanners is the momentum trigger. Now, what that's doing is scanning for a trade that's setting up that could go on a momentum move. You can see over here on the right hand side, we've got a flat line. Now, that flat line is telling us that volatility is low, and this could be a trade that could really take off to the upside. Comes up on our scanner over here on the left hand side as a momentum trigger trade that's setting up. So all eyes on that. Now, this is done instantly. You can see here that the actual screener is updating in real time, and you can actually set the screener to scan any single market that you want. And I've got a watch list of trades over here or markets over here that I could scan every single morning. It saves so much time. I've also put in here a few stocks as well, and you can just click on here. Once you set those up, you can see that DRAX here starting to go on a momentum move. You can see we're starting to turn up here, get a nice green momentum trigger. As I said, we can start expanding quite nicely here, and we can see DRAX push on for a very nice move. And of course, then we got the FX market as well, as we look at some other trades that on the short side, Aussie Swissy here. You can see that we're starting to push down with momentum, and some of these moves are pretty big, substantial moves, guys, and they come from finding them on the screener. Now, we have the momentum trade here that can scan any markets, commodities, stocks, cryptos, FX, whatever you want to. But we also have the Pro Trading System, which is a fantastic screener as well, and we can go and run that straight away. And this is also for you short-term traders, for day traders as well. Now, with the Pro Trading System, which is the color change on our system here on the candlesticks, we can basically find signals in any time frame. So let's say that you are a day trader. Now, you've got a New Zealand dollar 15-minute buy signal here. If you're a swing trader, you've got a weekly New Zealand sterling swing trade, okay? You've got a 4-hour time frame, Euro Aussie. Let's take a little look at this Euro Aussie. So click on the chart there. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and you can see here, let's get rid of those lines. As you can see here, Euro Aussie is one that I'm really interested in because the monthly chart is bullish, and now we're getting a green Pro Trading System. Now, that took me seconds to actually scan and find that trade. So I'll be putting an order in here to buy the Euro Aussie. There's no need to go hunting through hundreds and thousands and FX pairs and stocks and commodities. You can just use our screeners and scanners that will find those trades for you. So this is great. So doing this video, I found this Euro Aussie, and I'm going to look to trade this and place that order and off and go and do something else for the rest of the day. So scanning should be part of your toolkit. It should be something that saves you time. It should be something that you use. And I think the process is really first, learn the strategy, use the software, and then go and enjoy scanning, guys. Go and enjoy screening, looking for trades, setting up. And of course, it can be used for swing traders, investors, and day traders. It's absolutely fantastic. Saves so much time. Have a great rest of the day. Bye bye now.